Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I will share an important tips with you, that is how to limit Windows Update bandwidth on the Windows 10. If you've ever experienced the slowdown caused by large Windows updates, you can now decide what percentage of bandwidth is allocated and more. Go to Settings, then Update and Security. Click on Advanced Options under the Windows Updates. Click on Delivery Optimization. Advanced Options. By default, dynamically optimizing the amount of bandwidth. Under Download Settings, check the limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background and foreground. Use the slider to specify the percentage of bandwidth you want your device to use. Under Upload Settings, check the limit how much bandwidth is used for uploading updates to other PCs on the internet. If you want to limit the amount of data your device uploads per month, you can also check the monthly upload limit option. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.